Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same. Imagine you dedicate to shit that I'm into. Yen. I'm your host, Pete Fire, aka Purple Spitfire. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go around camera, come back, and we're going to do it like we're doing it for the TV. So let's do it. Hello guys. What's good, people? I'm back on camera like I never left. I know it's been a while, but here I am. What's good, my beautiful people? Shout out Oasis, they've got back together. Not that I'm a nerding over them or anything, but our kid Liam, come on, let's have it. Anyway guys, welcome to another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Today we have this vintage Valentino denim jacket. Love a bit of denim, especially when the sun's out. Little t-shirt, denim jacket, you're good to go. Can you be cooler than the cool? You can't be cooler than a cooler than a cooler. Guys, I'm gonna stop. Let me give you the 12 RJ, the RJ to the 12, you know what I'm saying? Guys, no drugs were taken while doing this video. I'm just mad excited. I might have a bit of heat stroke, but who knows what's what. Guys, RJ to the 12, 12 into the RJ. As you can see, there's my waist right there. Jacket comes just down past my waist, but let me give you a turn around. As you can see, it's sort of not, that goes up a bit, if you see what I mean. So it sort of goes up and then it starts coming down, so it's not uniform. It goes up, it tapers up, but anyway, you get the picture. So let's start with the cuff arches. Left hand side, right hand side. There you see the cuff arches right there, resplendent in all their denimness. You see the patina, you see the fade, and on your cuff arches there, you can see you got a nice bit of rumage there for an extra pair of hands if you need to. Maybe not your pair of hands, maybe you need some help. Someone can help put their hands in there. I don't know how you get down how you get down. Anyway, as you can see on the old buttons, for those of you that remember good old Valentino back in the days, remember the jeans with the leather patch and the metal V? All right, those who remember, take a look. There you go, back to the old days right there, that old school Valentino insignia right there. Super dope. Carved out in bronze, and of course equilibrium say beautiful thing, equilibrium say. Let me step back. Boom. As you can see it's got that sort of pleatedness on the old cuffage there, so it's like a pleated cuff. Really nice little detail in there, and once again equilibrium saying beautiful thing. So you got the pleat. You've also got a nice little split in case you need to scratch your hand. Oh, little scratch here, get it. Oh, little scratch here, get it. All right, let me step back a little bit. I'm going to button up so we can go through the pocketages and the buttons. Un, deux, trois. I said do like, you know what I mean, like a proper Englishman. Un, deux, trois, quatre. Hold on. Cinq. That's 5, guys. Six. That's 6. All right, we have 6 buttons. One button, 6 buttons, or 1 button, 6 buttons, and all the rest in between, as you do. Left hand side, right hand side, you've got these top pockets here. Once again, guys, beautiful, resplendent brass with the Valentino insignia, that V right there. Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, same thing. Let's open one of these pockets, put our hand in the pocket. Now you put a couple coins of gold, couple bars of small gold in here, you're good to go. As equilibrium saying beautiful thing, if you've leveled up, you'll put a bit of platinum in there and a bit of gold. So silver and gold, gold and platinum. We're moving up, you know. Hopefully we'll move away from the gold, just uranium, platinum, and who knows what's next. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you wouldn't put too much in here. It's not really, you know, a few bars and a few coins, not too much, because it's not that deep and it's not that wide. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm just gonna button back up. Et voila. And of course the pockets are like these envelope pockets, but they're lopsided, more like a horse saddle pocket, shall we say, or a holster pocket. Let me step back. Of course you see that nice little lines, the detailing right there, going through from the pocket all the way down to this pocket here. So left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium saying beautiful thing. Walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket, perfect. Good to go, perfect location. Watch me. Exactly, make sure you do it just like that. Now once again, these pockets are not deep, they're not very wide, so all I would put in there is I put my hands in there. I put my right hand in the right pocket, I put my left hand in the right pocket, and that's it. It's perfect. Other than that, I wouldn't put anything else. Don't put your money in there, don't put your dog in there, don't put nothing. You'll probably fall out and then you'll be crying. So I would just put my hands and keep it moving. All right, as you can see, once again, those lines coming all the way down, super nice. Give you a little close up on these pockets. Very nice. You can just see the detailing on this denim, the vintageness, really, really nice. Let me turn around so you can see how it fits. I love the way it fits. It's kind of a bit bloussonny. You see it's got a bit of width under the arms there. Very sort of 90s feel. I think it's from the 90s vintage, yeah, definitely. So really, really nice. Okay guys, as you can see down here, there you go, leather patch right there. Valentino jeans, those that remember, voila, et voila. Nice little leather patch, sort of fading away, but super, super nice. Once again, the buttons have all the insignias on them, so super nice. Really love this jacket. I think I picked this jacket up for super cheap, under £50. I can't remember, maybe Rick's Retros. Yeah, Rick's Retros. I found it super still, you know, super dope. Let me just show you the inside, guys. Of course, you see your Valentino jeans right there. Super nice, love it. And then there at the bottom, going across, you see Valentino jeans blue. You know what I'm saying? Just that, going all the way across the bottom of the inner, right there. You see that? Yeah, you see that, you see that. Super. Now, if we go to the back, you've got the nice little side epaulette, shall we say, once again button, and then another button if you want to taper it a little bit closer, voila. And Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, same thing goes there. Again, look at the patina on it, look at the fade, guys. You know what I'm saying? Years and years of wear and washing has got this to a nice light skin blue. You know what I mean? Really nice jacket, man. I love this jacket. Great piece, the quality is excellent, the price was even better, and yeah, what more can we say? What more can we say? Guys, that was it really. A fly little jacket from Valentino, you know what I mean? Yeah, I used to rock Valentino back in the days, around 93, 94, 95. I had this beautiful pair and it was one of my favorites, and yeah, I can't remember, I either gave them away or they're dead, but yeah, we used to rock Valentino. I had a Valentino jumper that I loved as well. I recently saw it again, actually, like 20-30 years later. But anyway, I digress. Guys, this has been a Valentino vintage denim jacket, and I've been your host P5, aka P is for patina, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and do the necessary. And yeah, as always guys, I appreciate your time, I appreciate you watching. Thank you for your patience, thank you for your love, thank you for the kind words. Stay dope, stay fly, and yeah, this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your host P5, like I already said, and you guys are beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Stay dope, gang. Peace.